The engineering behind cars and buses. Engineering means using science and technology to build things that work, like machines, roads, bridges, and even vehicles. In cars and buses, engineering includes designing the shape, building strong bodies, adding engines and wheels, making them safe and comfortable. Think of engineers like the brains behind the scenes. They make sure cars and buses are fast, strong, safe, and fun to ride in. Main parts of a car or bus. The engine, the heart of the vehicle. The engine is the most important part of a car or bus. It turns fuel, like petrol, diesel, or electricity, into energy. This energy makes the vehicle move forward or backward. Types of engines: petrol engine, uses petrol. Diesel engine, uses diesel fuel. Electric motor, uses electricity from batteries. Example: a school bus may run on diesel, while a Tesla car uses electricity. Fuel system, what makes it go? The fuel system is like a food supply for the engine. Petrol, diesel, or electricity goes into the engine. The engine eats this fuel and turns it into power. This power moves the wheels. Example: just like we eat food to get energy, vehicles use fuel. Transmission, sending power to the wheels. The transmission is like a messenger. It takes power from the engine. It sends it to the wheels in the right way. There are two main types: manual transmission, the driver changes gears. Automatic transmission, the car changes gears on its own. Example: changing gears on a bicycle helps you pedal easily. Same with vehicles. Wheels and tires, rolling smoothly. Cars and buses have wheels with rubber tires. Tires help the vehicle move smoothly. They also give grip so the vehicle doesn't slip. Example: like roller skates help you glide, tires help vehicles roll. Brakes. How do cars and buses stop? Brakes help stop the vehicle safely. When you press the brake pedal, the vehicle slows down. Most modern vehicles use disc brakes or drum brakes. Example: like putting your feet down to stop a scooter. Steering system. How do we turn? The steering wheel helps the driver control where the car or bus goes. Turning the wheel moves the front wheels. This changes the direction of the vehicle. Example: like handlebars on a bicycle. The body. What holds everything together? The body or chassis is like the skeleton of the vehicle. It holds all the parts in place. It's made of strong materials like metal or fiberglass. The outer part is painted to look nice and protect from rust. Example: like the outer shell of a turtle. Interior, inside the vehicle. The inside of cars and buses is designed for comfort and safety. Seats for passengers, seatbelts for safety, air conditioning for cool air. Entertainment systems like radios. Example: a bus has rows of seats for many people. A car may have seats for 4 or 5. Lights and signals, seeing and communicating. Vehicles have lights and signals, headlights for seeing the road at night. Brake lights to show when stopping. Turn signals, blinkers, to show turning. Horn to alert others. Example: like waving your hand to signal a turn, blinkers do that for cars. Computer systems, smart vehicles. Modern vehicles have computers inside. They help check the engine. They show messages on the dashboard. They control GPS, music, cameras, and more. Example: some cars even talk and help you park. Safety features. Engineers add special parts to keep us safe. Airbags that pop out during crashes. Seatbelts that hold us in place. Anti-lock brakes, ABS, to stop safely. Cameras and sensors to avoid bumps. Example: like wearing a helmet and knee pads when riding a bike. Electric vehicles, the future of transport. Some vehicles don't use petrol or diesel. They use electric batteries and are called electric vehicles, EVs. EVs are cleaner and better for the environment. They are quiet and cost less to run. Example: Tesla, Nissan Leaf, and electric buses. Maintenance, keeping vehicles healthy. Cars and buses need regular checkups. Oil changes. tire checks, brake checks, engine cleaning. Example, like going to the doctor for a checkup. Who builds cars and buses? Many people work together. Designers create the look. Mechanical engineers build the engine. Electrical engineers work on lights and computers. Technicians assemble everything. Example, like building a Lego car but with real parts. How are they made? Most cars and buses are built in factories using machines and workers. Parts are made separately. Engine, seats, doors. All parts come to a main assembly line. Robots and workers put everything together. Example, like baking a cake, first mix the batter, then bake, then decorate. Why engineering is important in vehicles. Engineering makes vehicles safe, fast, strong, comfortable, smart, eco-friendly. Without engineering, we wouldn't have the amazing cars and buses we ride every day. Conclusion. Cars and buses are not just boxes with wheels, they are full of science, engineering, and teamwork. From engines to brakes, lights to computers, every part plays a role. And it's all thanks to the smart engineers who design and build them.